Hello, my name is Emma Shelilium. I'm an editor, a marketing manager, and a crochet teacher. In this course, we are going to make a so-called silent book, which is especially made for babies or small children. A silent book is basically a crochet picture book. The theme is the 4 seasons. We will crochet the sun, the rainbow, umbrella, and the snowman. It won't be too complicated, but still, if you cannot crochet at all, I recommend to start with my Crochet Basics course. Once you are familiar with the foundation of the crochet technique and the hook doesn't feel awkward anymore in your hand, you are ready to start with this project. During the course, I will show what you will need, what kind of yarn I recommend, so it will be cost effective. I will explain the pattern before each page of the book, and this pattern you can also download as a PDF. We will crochet each element together. I will show how to assemble the book, and in the end, as a special treat, we will make a button with the mysterious ancient Irish lace crochet technique. Be prepared for a detailed work, but don't worry, I will be beside of you all the way long, and the result will worth everything. This is going to be a fabulous and amazing gift for babies and small children. Now let's start to crochet.